How about a makeup haul? Haven't seen a makeup haul from me in a while, and this time I think I'm gonna try a lot of it on. Maybe a few other things, but mostly makeup. You wanna watch? Stay here. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight, and I love makeup. Don't you love makeup? What does that feel when a Sephora box shows up in front of your house on your front porch when you come home? The clouds part, the heavens opened, and a light shines down upon me. I like to get makeup. Before I get started, let me just tell you a real quick tip that I always use to buy makeup. You probably have heard about Ebates, and now it's called Rakuten, and I'm not dissing Ebates because it's a good program, but an even better program is Swagbucks. Swagbuck works a lot like Ebates, Rakuten, in that when you shop through their portal, you can earn points towards a gift certificate. But it is slightly different because you can do lots of things to earn points. Every day there's a question of the day, there's little questions on the sidebar, there's activities to do, there's surveys to take, so many ways to earn money on Swagbucks. Pretty much every month I earn a $25 gift card to Sephora. I'm gonna link Swagbucks for you below because I don't want you to miss out on free makeup. Let's see what I have. This is a Target box. Target, you can save money by watching for their sales. When you get the little gift cards because you bought, 2 bottles of Tide, save those for your makeup. That's what I do. This particular box of Target, I went online and I checked out their clearance stuff. I love clearance at Target. Pretty much buy everything there. And they have these little Opies. I know they're OPI, but I like to call them Opie. Opie's fun. Opie's better than OPI. OPI is boring. Aren't they cute? I think these were just $1 or $2 because they were marked way down. And this is a really good brand if you've never tried it. Good brand, but I'm never going to pay more than a couple dollars for bottles of fingernail polish. I'm just never going to do it. Never. I won't do it. Completely random and not makeup at all. I don't know why that's in there. Actually, I got that because I have chronic migraines. Let me know in the comments if another migraine video is something that interests you or if you're kind of tired of the migraine videos. Okay, I found this new brand at Target a few months ago. It's been a few months, but it's called Starlit and it's all so pretty. It is exactly what it sounds like. It's sparkly and shiny and holographic and iridescent and all just different things. This in particular is a lip gloss, so let's give this a try. Not friendly packaging. Oh my goodness gracious, is this gonna be a thing tonight? It is 11:07 and I'm filming this video. Let me know what time it is while you're watching it. We're not called Mascara to Midnight for nothing. First con was the packaging, but look at this. Isn't this gorge? I just realized why gorge may not have taken off. Can't abbreviate every word. Doesn't smell good. Nothing went on. Let's try again. Oh, that's looking good. Gotta get it right in there. It doesn't want to come out. I don't know if I just got it dud or if this is just not, I don't know what's going on here. It's pretty though. I still don't have enough on. I don't feel like I have enough on. Okay, so maybe the lip gloss, not a winner. But it is pretty, tastes horrible, smells bad. Not loving it. The next one I wanted to try were the little cream shadow discs. So many fun colors in the cream shadow discs. I just had to get one. I think my gift card was $20, so I didn't have a bazillion dollars to spend on makeup that day. It's very nice. Let's try it. Oh, it says cream shadow disc, but the first layer is powdery, or is that the glitter coming up? It's exactly what it is. I think what we've got here is a layer of glitter on top, and underneath is the cream, but the glitter is not going to go all the way through. I think that's what we're going to deal with here. No idea if that's going to stay on. Let me try to get down to the cream here. Yeah, see? I don't know, there may be glitter on down. Hard to tell at this early stage. That's really pretty. That would be really nice over, a darker color to really make it sparkle. I like that. I can live with this now. Can live with this one. Colored eyeliner. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? I hope this is good. Have you heard of this before? Was this new to you tonight? yesterday, tomorrow. I don't know when you're watching this. Oh, wow, that is pretty. I gotta get my magnifying mirror out here. Okay, this applicator, ooh, globby. Oh boy, it's so pretty, but globby. Wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. It's still wet, so I don't want to move my eyeballs too much. That was all for that line. What'd you think? I'm obsessed with brow products right now. On my makeup desk, I have 2 or 3 piled up to try out. I don't know why I'm obsessed. Really, all I want to do is get my brows microbladed. But the lady I was going to go to is out on maternity leave. I really think I'm going to do it. Do you think I should do it? I don't know. Well, I've already done my brows because I couldn't remember what I bought all that long ago. But this is an e.l.f. product. It's got the little spoolie on one end, and on the other end it's got a little fine... Well, currently there's nothing on this end, but when you roll it up, it'll have a little point. My eyeliner is going all over my face now. If you're going to do this eyeliner, you might want to get something, you know, fan it. That's called fanning. Hey, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. That matches almost perfectly with my hers. A little bit darker than I usually like, but that's all right. I've been told I need to go a little bit darker. I like this. It's very creamy. Oh, which eye do you like better? The eyeliner is still wet. A few little skincare things. I got Honest Beauty Gel to Milk Cleanser, and that's fun. The thing about skincare is you want it to be fun. If you hate doing skincare, you'll never do skincare. Ooh, that looks nice, pretty. Let's smell it. I hope it smells like grapefruit, because it looks like grapefruit, don't you think? I don't know why I got this. I must have just saw it and thought, oh, that's fun. That's usually how I shop. No scent. That's weird. Okay. Got some masks. Never have too many masks. I mask on Saturday nights on Instagram if you want to come over there and check out what I'm doing. Tag me and show me what you're doing. This one's a glitter mask, and I had to have this. And this one's a purifying mask. Cake Bomb Bath Fizzy. With a surprise inside. I think this was on clearance. I can't imagine I paid full price for this, but maybe I did. Benzoyl peroxide for the sons. I have an 11-year-old. And then a foundation brush. My daughter opened this in the store because she wanted to feel it. I don't know. This is Sonia Kashuk. I'm always looking for the perfect foundation brush. Do you have a favorite? Not sure. Anyways, I'll try that out. It feels really soft, which makes me think the foundation's going to sink right into it. I'm trying to find something that the foundation doesn't sink in so that I get more product on my face. But I really love putting foundation on with the brush. Do not like the little sponges. And I don't know, there's just something wrong when I put it on with my fingers. Here's my free Sephora box. Free because I had gift cards, but still free. Look at this. Still wet. That's maybe not the best line. Maybe better for younger girls. I mean, maybe my teen would like this a lot. This is the Sephora peeling mask and the Sephora freezing mask, and I'm always looking for something a little unique, a little bit fun. I always want to try all the new, latest, and greatest masks. I can't really say that there's any masks that I love more than all the others. There are definitely some that are a little bit better, but I just find that they're all pretty much equal. One's just maybe more fun than the other. What do you think? Now this has some skincare in it. This doesn't have as much makeup. I lied to you in the beginning, basically, but it's all right, don't be mad. This is the Ordinary Hair Care Multi-Peptide Serum for hair density. Please let this work. I have Hashimoto's. It's an autoimmune disorder, so it's not going anywhere. And part of it is when it's untreated, your hair falls out. So I've got like 5 strands of hair left. And I mean, seriously, my ponytail is like this. Well, that's all my hair right there. What you see. That's it. That's all. Hoping this works. If you've tried that, you let me know. And of course, I'll report back if it works. When you order from Sephora, you can get the coupon codes. If you spend $25, you get a little something free. And then you also get 3 free samples when you order, or are they down to 2? or 4. I don't remember. You get free samples. I think it's 3. I think they went down to 3. And then if you pay for the year of shipping up front, I think that price has gone up to $12 too, but that's worth it because then you can split up your orders and get more samples. I'm obsessed with samples. I'm just going to really quickly show you my samples. This is a Makeup Forever foundation. I don't think that's my color. Is this a sample or did I buy this? Bobbi Brown, Vitamin Enriched Face Base. But this is pretty big. I lost the lid on the floor. Whoa, that smells nice. I don't know, is that a sample? Who knows? It's been too long since I ordered. I got a little perfume sample, and you can get perfume samples all day long at Sephora. Be sure and do that. Yeah, they're nice. They're little spray bottles, and you can get this exact kind of set when you go in. Chlorine hair protector, and we've got a Clinique super concealer. Hey, take some of that. This little thing will last forever, but I don't think it's my color. I'm sweating off all my makeup, so let's just replace it with this. Let's see. This is what I love for concealer. It stinks. Oh my, wow, that stinks. I pretty much got glitter all over my face from that makeup. I should have done that last. Okay, I'm not mad about this. This is good. Except for the scent. Okay, I'll probably use that some more. You know I try out a lot of MLMs on my channel, direct sales, pyramid schemes. And I know right now everyone's really against MLMs. And I get it, I totally get it. But there is something about these products. Maybe it's the women and I want to support them in their dreams of, you know, maybe they're trying to stay home, maybe they're just trying to have a second income. It's partly that, and it's partly I really like trying unique products, different products, something that everyone's not using. In this particular case, I found this lady on Instagram, and she sent me some samples. This is Arbonne, and I ended up getting this. Now, I will say that the lady who was helping me didn't really know what she was talking about. I did ask her about color selection, and I told her that I'm pink undertones, and I asked her which of the 2 particular products I was looking at would she think would be better for pink undertones. She told me a different one which had yellow undertones when I looked it up online. So I mean a Sephora person could do that. I did try the samples and I like the samples, so I will be doing a full review of this because I gotta review the MLMs on my channel. Listen, if you're against them, fine, be against them. There are plenty of videos that are anti-MLM, but I'm not gonna be one. And Walgreens. Now, one thing you should know about Walgreens is they have a point system. It's CVS, all of them do, and you get enough points and then you get free products. But also, they will regularly send you an email that if you spend a certain amount, you'll get a little baggie of free stuff. And that is what I only order from Walgreens when they're offering the baggie of free stuff. Same for Ulta, but Ulta won't let me order online anymore for no apparent reason. So I won't be ordering from Ulta anymore. This little baggie actually came with some really decent stuff. We've got a little sunscreen sample, which this is good sunscreen. Lumify, which is actually my 3rd sample of Lumify. No idea what I'm gonna do with this stuff. Pantene shots for hair care. These are great. Then we've got some CeraVe, which everyone needs CeraVe. Vera Wang, this is a perfume that I absolutely love. Hair mask, gummy samples. This is probably all gonna be out of focus.
That's cool.
Hair stuff. Nice coupon book. And then a little fragrance sample pack. That's not bad, and I was buying, buying stuff I would have bought anyway. I know I sell flexies, but these aren't, if you're trying to do a certain kind of style, you do kind of sometimes need these, and I also thought that my little curly haired girl might like these better than the flexies. She will wear flexies and she kind of likes them, but she likes to also take them out and lose them. This is a foundation and an illuminating cream. I've already got foundation on. Of course, it's all sweating off because it is hot in Louisiana. But let's put on this illuminating. Mix with moisturizer or foundation or use on top. So we're gonna use on top. See better here. Well, I don't know. It might be better under lotion. I love these kind of luminizers under my foundation if I'm doing a light foundation. Definitely not loving it for, you know, if I wanted this to be highlighter. Not loving it for highlighter's sake, but another item from the CYO brand, which is a lip plumper. Got a lip plumper video coming up real soon, so stay tuned for that. Then we've got some more CYO with metallic eye stick. If I remember correctly, these were buy 3 get 1 free or buy 1 half off, you know, something like that. And this is completely broken. How am I gonna get that out of there? It's hot. That may be part of the problem. I'm not blaming this brand, but do be aware if you're in a hot climate that maybe this isn't gonna work out for you. I'm just gonna use my little pinky here so we can see how it looks. I mean, the brand, that's pretty. The brand overall seems to be pretty good. And I'm not that familiar with this brand. It felt new to me. So I was happy to try out a few little things. Let me know if you've used products by this brand. And then we've got another colored eyeliner. This is from Rimmel. Let me put this on the other eye. Fingers crossed. Can't be worse, that's for sure. I mean, it's a beautiful color, but not really for me. Okay, let's try this. Pretty. That's nice. The Rimmel must have also been on sale, buy 1 get 1 half off, or buy 1 get 1 free, or something like that. And this one is a blue eyeliner. Fun way to add a little color to whatever you're doing. Mascara or eyeliner is easy to do that, and then you don't have the big production of putting on eyeshadow. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Whenever you're gonna go buy something from Walgreens, get your credit card that has points, go to Swagbucks, sign in to Swagbucks, go to the gift card, but sign in through Swagbucks because you're gonna earn points for buying the gift cards. They're gonna be discounted from 6% on up to 15 or 20, depending, you know, what they have available. So you're gonna buy that at a discount. Then you're gonna spend that on Walgreens and get points at Walgreens. So you're gonna get points from your credit card, points through Swagbucks, and points at Walgreens. It's really gonna be a good deal.
Do that.
I'm a big fan of number 7. I have a number 7 primer that a friend of mine here on YouTube recommended, and I'll just link her for you right up there across the top. And she was right. It is fantastic. It's one of my favorite foundations. I got these sheet masks. These were on sale. They regularly have sales, this brand does, so it's good to try out. So tell me what you've been buying. Answer all those many questions I asked you, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.